Yeah, that's plenty.
Oh, in the shirt.
Oh!
But that's cold.
Oh, it's so nasty.
That bag's gonna be worse. You don't even want to know what's in that one.
You might want some gloves for that one.
Oh, it's all over my hands. I don't give a fuck. You have no one to blame.
Oh God, I smell that.
Yeah.
Oh, what the hell is
Oh.
You don't want to know.
Oh.
This is kind of hard for me to stomach to do this to you, but I'll just do it like a baker's bag, you know, like we're icing you a little.
Oh.
Oh.
It looks like. Oh God, there's chunks. In there. What is that? There's meat patties.
Oh, you got some in the mouth. Oh.
It's mostly because we love you, but.
Oh.
Man,
I can't even stand that wind, dude.
Disgusting.
Oh. Oh, it's just fermenting out there.
You guys want to get a picture of him smiling? Yeah, hold on.
Ready?
Ready to get cold?
Oh, that's a little cold, huh? Oh, no.
You cleansed the candle. All right, man.
I'm glad my mouth's kind of clean now.